हाय फ्रेंड्स ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ए गुड डे आमर या पूर्व क्लास रे सब तो ग्लोसरी कंप्लीट हो जाता सो आज आम पढ़ा कौन क्वेश्चन आंसर सब पार्ट वन सो आप वीडियो देखिपारे बहुत भल भाव में देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डज द राइटर लाइक एग्जामिनेशंस क्योर द लाइन इन सपोर्ट ऑफ योर आंसर द राइटर डज नॉट लाइक एग्जामिनेशंस आई क्योर द लाइन these examinations were a great trial to me in support of my answer. Second question, mention the subjects were dearest to the examiners. The subjects that were dearest to the examiners were Latin and mathematics. Third question, which subjects did the writer like the most? The subjects the writer liked the most were history, poetry, and writing essays. Then fourth question, what reason does the writer give for his not doing well in the examinations? The examiner set questions on Latin and mathematics. The subject the writer disliked most, and so the latter did not do well in the examination. So friends, ଏବେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ question number 5. What did the writer write in the answer book for the Latin paper? The writer wrote his name, the number of the question I, and put the bracket around it in the answer book for the Latin paper. What was the sad spectacle for him? The sad spectacle for him was the stains on the Latin paper that had been made by the drops of his tears. Then 7 number question, what was the writer's position in the merit list for admission? The writer's position on the lowest in the merit list for admission. 8 number question, whom does he give the credit of his success in the entrance examination and why? He gives Dr. Welton the credit of his success in the entrance examination. The writer gave the credit to him as he was able to judge his means the writer's hidden talent and declared him worthy to pass into hero. 9 number question, what does he mean by I gained no more advantage from the alphabet than from the wider sphere of the letters? By I gained no more advantage from the alphabet than from the wider sphere of letters. The writer means that his name was written at the bottom of the school list as his correct name Spencer Churchill started with an S. Only 2 students were below him in the list. He did not get the advantage of having a long name. Then 10 number question, how did he become the last boy in the class? As 2 students below his name in the school list disappeared due to illness or some other reason, he became the last boy in the class. 11 number question, what is the custom of calling the roll at Harrow? The custom of calling the roll at Harrow is that the students walk past a teacher in a line and respond one by one when the names are called. Then 12 number question, what is the custom of calling the roll at Eton? Means the custom of calling the roll at Eton is that the students stand in a group and lift their hands in response to their names. Then 13 number question, why he was last of all? Why did people say so? The people said so because the people wanted to know why the writer was the last of all to march by, whereas his father, Lord Randolph Churchill, despite his resignation as the leader of the House of Commons and Chancellor of Exchequer, dominated in the field of politics. So friends, ଏବେ ଆମର 13ଟା क्वेश्चन जो थिला पार्ट 1 सब तो कंप्लीट हो गला. सो फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट ଆମେ ଦେଖାବା का सहित ना पार्ट 2 रा कंप्रेशन सहित. सो फ्रेंड्स अपन प्रेक्टिस करते भलसे बुझे चेष्टा करते, जहाँ डाउट हो कमेंट सेक्शन में कहतु.